Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nurain binti Muhammad Iskandar from SC110. Today I want to present to you about JIT purchasing system. The characteristic of JIT purchasing system is, first, JIT purchasing system can reduce the number of suppliers and long-term contract with suppliers. Other than that, we can specify quality standard in supplier contracts to reduce the need for inspection. And the last is use of e-commerce to place orders and provide supplier online access to inventory. Okay, next is benefits of JIT purchasing system. JIT purchasing system is cost account purchasing strategy. You purchase goods and they are delivered just as they are needed to meet demand. When you get customer orders, you need to plan to purchase. Purchase the minimum number of orders result in smaller or minimum number of orders and frequent deliveries. This goal is to reduce the carrying cost of inventory. Less inventory on hands means you pay less storage and insurance. Next is added value in JIT purchasing system. Added value activity is the value is added in a product at a given stage. Customer willing to pay for the product as the product is going to better in perform. In example, the product is transferred from storage to the production line. Okay, the second one is non-value added. Non-value added activity is increase the final cost but do not increase the value to the customer. In example, cost of warehousing inventory. The customer only concerned, is it going to perform or does it work? Okay, the last one is actual application in business. Toyota is considered as poster child in JIT success. Production strategy is highlighted by the fact that raw materials are not brought to the production floor until an order is received and ready to be built. No parts are allowed at a node unless they are required for the next node or part of assembly for the next node. This philosophy allowed Toyota to keep minimum amount of inventory, which means lower cost. Toyota can adapt quickly to change in demand without have to worry about dispose of expensive inventory.
The Toyota production system is widely studied by business schools and manufacturing plants. But what exactly is the Toyota production system, and how do customers benefit? When manufacturing using the Toyota production system, Toyota only builds what is ordered. This ensures overhead costs are in check, and it provides stable pricing for the customer. Equipment orders are slotted into the production schedule based on the production forecast and slot availability. This ensures a level workflow through the factory and is a process called Heijunka. Toyota holds many of its suppliers to the Heijunka process as well to maintain levelized material flow and just-in-time component delivery. On the assembly line, parts and components are delivered directly to the associates. Toyota forklifts, tow tractors, and AGVs are used to deliver parts to the line, following the assembly sequence, which is dictated by the daily production schedule. The just-in-time principle is critical because it allows associates to receive the right parts the moment they're needed, in the exact location they're needed, for the specific forklift they're assembling at that time. Assembly associates focus on standardization and specialization, which allows them to work on many different lines and produce many different products.
The Toyota production system guarantees product quality by making each person in every process in our facility a quality inspector. So rather than having inspection at the final process to make sure the product is good and to our standards, we rely on each associate to be an inspector. So therefore we have 900 inspectors on the shop floor that are trying to make sure that that good quality is built into the product.
In order to continuously improve the production quality and safety in the supply chain, regular meetings are held on the shop floor, and the TPS culture requires a consistent presence of managers and other leaders in and around the assembly lines. To take consistent quality a step further, associates perform quality checks on every component they touch before sending their work down the line. They mark each component using a colored marker, and if you look closely at any Toyota forklift, you'll see multiple marker dots on internal components. This indicates the component has passed through various quality checkpoints before reaching the customer. When the forklift is completely assembled, it goes through a final inspection. 100% of Toyota products are tested and inspected in order to guarantee the highest level of quality for Toyota forklift customers. Should a customer have an issue with a Toyota forklift, the local dealer addresses the problem immediately with the customer to ensure the forklift is up and running as quickly as possible. Then, the dealer files a warranty claim with the factory. The warranty claim process includes a thorough inspection of every faulty part after it has been sent back to the factory for analysis. If the defect is confirmed after the part has been analyzed, countermeasures are put in place at Toyota to ensure the same defect doesn't happen in the future. After a countermeasure has been developed, it becomes standard in order to reduce future warranty claims. Thanks to this process and the Toyota production system, Toyota customers can be confident they'll always receive a quality forklift. The Toyota production system results in a decrease or total elimination of waste, unnecessary components, and pollution. For Toyota customers, the Toyota production system means shorter lead times, cost savings, and the highest quality material handling equipment in the industry. To learn more about the Toyota production system and how it can help you be more productive, visit toyotaforklift.com or contact your local Toyota forklift dealer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainun Nadia binti Wan Kamaludin, and I will present about JIT production system. JIT production system is an inventory management method whereby materials, goods and labor are scheduled to arrive or be replenished exactly when needed in the production. For JIT production is a production model in which items are created to meet demand, not created in surplus or in advance of need. The purpose to avoid the waste associated with overproduction, waiting and excess. Okay, for the characteristic of JIT production, first, reduction storage space, reliable delivery schedule, high quality material use, and long-term agreement needed. Okay, for the benefit JIT production, first, reduction in space required. By removing amount of stock from the system and moving processes close together, we will often see a significant reduction in the amount of floor space being used. Second, reduction in handling equipment and other costs. If you don't have to move large batches, there is less need for complex machinery to move them and all of the associated labor and training. Number three, lead time reduction. One of the most significantly impacted areas is that of the time it takes for products to flow through the process. Instead of week or month, most JIT implementation result in lead time of hour or a few days. Okay, for the value added activity in JIT production, an activity is value added if and only if three conditions are met. First, the customer must be willing to pay for the activity. Number two, the activity must change the product, making it closer to the end product that the customer want and will pay for. Number three, the activity must be done the first time. For the non-value added in JIT production system, are activity that do not change the form, fit or function of the part and activities the customer does not want to pay for. Example, production line waiting on parts, material handler moving the same part numerous times. That's all.
Created using Powtoon.